Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, online students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good
children.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah, take down the question, children. Madhumita, please disable your mic.
Ma'am, do we have to copy this?
No, Shreya, you continue to write your notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the value of cot 30? What's the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 degrees will be root 3 by 1, which is root 3. So root 3, cot 30 degrees is root 3. Cot 30 degrees to the power 4. So root 3 to the power 4 minus cosecant 60 degrees. So it's a reciprocal of sine. What is the value of sine 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3. This will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, the whole power 4. Close brackets plus 3 by 2. Value of cos 45. 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So secant 45 will be root 2. Root 2. Use a square bracket. Minus tan 30 degrees. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, the whole square. Minus 5 cos 60 degrees. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, the whole square. Simplify this. So Shivam, do you have your credentials?
Seven. Yeah.
Yeah, understand. Okay. Complete. What's answer? 55 by 18. Same thing, 55 by 18. Okay. Yeah, help me now. So it'll be 16 by 3, right? Plus 3 by 2. Oh, 9. Oh, yeah, 9. Yeah, 81 minus 16. 65. So 3 and 3 you can cancel here. So it'll be 65 by 36 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4. So again, common denominator 36, 65 plus 18 fives are 90. Correct? 18 fives are 90, na? 36 is the common denominator.
Yes,
36 is the
ma'am.
yeah, that's no. See, this one I need your help. 36 is the common denominator. So 65 plus 18 fives are 90 minus 5 nines are 5 nines are 45. Correct? Yeah, thank you. So 65 minus 45 is plus 20. And 90 plus 20 is 110. 110 by 36, which is 55 by 18.
Yes, ma'am.
அதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. You can leave it. It's an improper fraction. You can leave it like this, or you can convert it to a mixed fraction. Decimal not needed. Yeah, take it on. So Prajit, you've got this answer. Others online? 10th standard students
ma'am.
online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got it, Rakshita.
Very good. Very nice. All right. Finished? Root 3 to the power 4 is root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. Next one. Once you substitute the values, let me know. Yeah, Ritika? Ritika is not there? No. So class, cosecant 30? Root 2. 2 or root 2? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 will be 2. plus x sine 60 root 3 by 2. Tan 30 1 by root 3
Root 3.
is equal to 10. So 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 by 4. Correct? X is 3. How much? You? 3. Yeah. Even if one of you get my answer, then I'm right. Yeah, please tell me, children, if I'm right in my calculation. I'm getting x is 3. 3? Finished? 3? Online students? Got the same value for x?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. All right. This 10, right? Plus x into 3 by 4 minus 3 by 12. Also pound amount. Okay. 32 plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 40 by 4. Cancel 3x. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 minus 1 you have done. 8 plus 1, 9.
33, ma'am. 40 minus 7.
40, which is 33. How is it 33? Minus 32 plus 1 is minus 31. Minus 32 plus 1 is minus 31. 40 minus 9. 9 by 3. Yeah. All of you got this?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aishwarya. I'm done.
You're done? All right, Aishwarya. You can leave the meeting. Thank you, Aishwarya.
Thank you.
All right. So here we need to find the value of theta. So to start off, we cross multiply. And what you notice is that we have cos square theta, cos theta, and one sine square theta. So using the identity, because we have cos square theta and cos theta, so using the identity, we write sine square theta in terms of cos square theta. So sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So this way, throughout in the equation, you will have only this ratio cos theta, correct, or cos square theta. So that's why we replace sine square theta with 1 minus cos square theta, and then we take all the terms to one side. And on simplifying meaning simplifying the like terms, you find 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. That looks like a quadratic equation, right? 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. You just replace cos theta with x. You replace cos theta with x. So it will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. So how do you solve this? By splitting the middle term. So write out the sum and the product and find the two numbers that can satisfy the sum and the product and split the middle term. Split the middle term, and then the procedure, you know, group the first two terms, last two terms. So you get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 or 1 by 2. But who's X? Cos theta. So cos theta is equal to X is 1, which means cos theta is 1. X is half, which means cos theta is half. So when is it 1? Cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. So 1 in the next step, you replace 1 with cos 0 degrees. The next step, replace 1 with cos 0 degrees. Now I'm comparing both the sides, theta is equal to 0 degrees. Or when is it half? Cos 60 degrees is half. Cos of 60 degrees is half. So cos theta is equal to cos 60 degrees. Replace half with cos 60 degrees. Replace half with cos 60 degrees. So now when you compare both the sides, theta is equal to 60 degrees. So theta is 0 degrees or theta is equal to 60 degrees. So we just cross multiply. See, anywhere you can see here itself, you can like even before you start off, you can replace this one with 1 minus cos square theta. Anywhere you can do that. It's not that you should cross multiply and then write 1 minus sin square theta here. Here itself in the denominator, you can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta and then cross multiply. Whatever it is, what you're going to do is you're going to cross multiply, bring all the terms to one side. And the ratio must be the same. Only then you can proceed. The ratio in this situation, the ratio should be the same. So since we have cos theta in two places, we are replacing sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Then quadratic, split the middle term, find the two values of x. Those are the two values of cos theta, and then find theta. All right. Online students, any questions?
No doubt.
Yeah. Try this one, which is similar to the one which we just finished. You can call cot theta as y. So it becomes root 3 y square minus 4y plus root 3 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. Good. Yeah. How much? 30, 45, huh? 30? 60. Oh. Yeah, online students, what's the value of theta?
30 and 60, ma'am.
30 and
30
60.
and 60. All right. So Okay, we just have to equate this. On equating. So y is nothing but cot theta. So cot theta is equal to root 3. When is it root 3? When is it 1 by cot 30 degrees? Correct. So cot theta is equal to cot 30 degrees. So on comparing both the sides, theta is 30 degrees. Or cot theta is equal to y is 1 by root 3. Y is cot theta. Y is 1 by root 3. Y is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So that means cot 60. Cot 60 degrees is equal to, oh sorry. Cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to cot 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. Got it, children? Oh, yeah. Evaluate. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, that's what you said, 10 by 3. Is it? Okay. Now we need to evaluate cot square theta plus tan square theta. So when theta is 60 degrees, under both the circumstances, when theta is 60 degrees, cot square, when theta is equal to 30 degrees, cot square, tan square, 30 degrees, cot square 30 degrees plus tan square 30 degrees is equal to root 3 the whole square plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Correct. 10 by 3. Correct. Very good. Second, when theta is equal to 60 degrees. So it will be cot square 60 degrees. Did we complete this? 10 by 3? Yeah. Finished. You got 10 by 3 in both the cases. Yeah. Yeah, completed. Okay. So children, we have to find the values of theta and evaluate cot square theta plus tan square theta. Shreya and Anantika. Shreya completed the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anantika completed the work?
No, ma'am. 2 more questions left.
Okay, fine. And regarding the record, yeah, Shreya, finished?
Yeah, 2 more questions is left, ma'am.
Okay, finish it and then let me know and leave the call. All right, both of you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, anything here, children? All of you got this? You have to use standard angles because only those values you know. Now 75 is also 60 plus 15. But we cannot find the values of sine 15, cos 15 because we learn only values of standard trigonometric angles. Otherwise, you can do it using 70 plus 5, 60 plus 15, whatever. But we have to use only 45 and 30. Yeah. You're able to do it, right? Okay, good. Finished? Okay, good. Continue with your work now. Writing. Don't play games. Yeah. You wouldn't have rationalized. No. So what's the status, boys? How many of you completed? All the 10, no? So, no. Not the test, the notes. How many of you completed so far? 7 you finished. Okay, he was working alone. Fine. You finished 4, is it? You're not continuing now? You want to finish it at home? Yeah. Oh, you're taking up the second test, is it? Oh, that's what you're writing, is it? Okay. Fine. I'm sorry. So, Yarni, which one are you doing? Okay. No hurry, yeah. You can complete it at home also. So in this question, a formula is given to you. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is a formula, the trigonometric formula. Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Using this formula, you have to find the value of cos 75 degrees. Using this formula, you'll have to find the value of cos 75 degrees. So for that, you need to take appropriate values for A and B, convenient values for A and B, so that you can fetch the values from the table. So A should
Hello?
be, you can, yes, Anantika, finished?
Yes, ma'am. May I leave?
Yes, Anantika, thank you. Yeah. You can also take A 30 degrees and B 45 degrees. You'll get the same answer. You should get the same value. You can also take A 30 degrees, B 45 degrees because 30 plus 45 is also 75. A 30, B 45 or A 45, B 30. Both correct, both same answer you will get. So wherever there is A and B, use 45 and 30. And A plus B, 45 plus 30 is 75. And here, understand children, get the values from the table, simplify. And when the denominator is irrational, rationalize it. That's why into root 2 by root 2 here. All right, boys, class. Online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone still writing? Should I wait? Okay. Take your hand so that I can see. The kai yeah, what's his name? Sashank. How, just read out your steps. What are you writing? Very good, very good. Same thing? Have you written the same thing? Give me a book. Come here. Pass your book out, please. Pass by. Get okay. Just pass a book. Oh no, you have not started the answer. Okay, okay, fine. All right. So children, so here it's given the tan A. It's given that tan A is equal to 1. So tan A is equal to, when is it 1? Tan A is equal to tan 45 degrees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ariston, is that your sister? Okay, you can leave. Yeah, is equal to tan 45 degrees. So on comparing both the sides, A is equal to 45 degrees. Now tan B is equal to root 3 given. Tan B is equal to, where is it root 3? Tan 60 degrees. On comparing both the sides, B is equal to 60 degrees. Now having found the values of A and B, let's evaluate cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this will be cos 45 degrees, cos 60 degrees minus sin 45 degrees, sin 60 degrees. See, that's it. Yeah, all of you simplify this and tell me the value.
1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2, ma'am.
1 minus
Root 3 by 2 root 2.
no, come again. 1 minus
Root 3, ma'am.
Root 2 minus root 6 by 4.
Okay, you're saying after rationalizing 1 minus root 3. I'm so sorry to ask again. 1 minus root 3 by?
2 root 2, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. The denominator is irrational, so you need to rationalize it.
Yes, ma'am.
Cos 45? 1 by root 2. No, 1 minute, I need to check. Arjun, cos 45? Have you memorized the values? No. Okay, you? No. Diliban? Raja? No. Okay.
Ma'am, after rationalizing, I got root 2 minus root 3 by 2, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, Shreya, it's Shreya, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
All right, Shreya. Thank you. You may leave the call. Thank you. Correct? Yeah, finish it, all of you. Surya, you will go on your own or somebody's coming to take you? Yourself also, no? Yeah, let me know once done. Finished? He's waiting? Yeah. So, yeah, you can leave. Done writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The MCQ lo kuda varum. Maximum 2 marks. Idella mostly MCQ dhan. So I'm doing it in a particular order. You should practice using your tuition notebook. Okay. So you practice using this. It's very simple. I've told you when the value is a standard value, you can bring the angle from the table. Tan A is equal to 1. And you know, you against tan, what are the values you have? You have 0, you have 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, not defined. All these angles you can get. So tan A is 1. That means A is 45 degrees. Tan B is root 3. That means B is 60 degrees because tan 60 degrees is root 3. See, this one, this is not new. Otherwise, I would have explained this one. The situation is not new, children. We have done this earlier. Yeah, now don't think that I'm just writing this without explaining anything. We have come across this earlier. I've mentioned when it's a standard value, you can get the angle from the table. I've mentioned this. If 2 sine theta, If 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3, find theta. If 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3, find theta. Now, children, we need to understand this expression. See here, this means 2 into sine 2 theta. 2 into sine 2 theta. But this does not mean 2 into sine 2 into theta, something like this. No, this is one thing. Here, nothing is separable. Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is one thing. After sine, this is the angle. 2 theta is the angle. Here, nothing can be separated. Yeah. Nothing can be separated. The 2 before that. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. The 2 before that. 2 into sine 2 theta. See, the ratio comes with the angle. So this one, nothing is separable. Before this, you have 2, right? So that is 2 into sine 2 theta. Got it? So 2 into sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. Now this 2 can come for division because this is nothing but 2 into sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. So this 2 can come for division. So sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Correct? Ah. 2 theta is equal to 60, theta is equal to 60 by 2. Now it is separable. Now it's outside sine cos. So now it's separable. Now it's separable. See, now it is 2 into theta. Once it is out of sine, now it is 2 into theta. When it is with sine 2 theta is one thing. Now on comparing both the sides, the angle 2 theta is 60 degrees. On comparing both the sides, the angle 2 theta is equal to 60 degrees. Now this 2 theta is 2 into theta. So theta is equal to 60 by 2. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. All right. Finish writing? No hurry, no hurry. Understood? All right. Online students? Can we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sorry. Finished? Yeah, Arjun. So what is given? Sine of A plus B plus C is equal to 1. When is it 1? Referent, tell me. Sine 90 is 1. So write sine of A plus B plus C is equal to sine 90. Understood this? Now when you compare both the sides, what do you get? A plus B plus C is equal to 90. A plus B plus C, because it's like you're cancelling sine. You should not cancel, but it's like you're cancelling sine and sine. On comparing both the sides, A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? So this is one equation we have got. Now take the next one. Tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan of A minus B is equal to tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Now on comparing both the sides, A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. 30 or 30 degrees. Next, secant A plus C is equal to 2. 60. So secant A plus C is equal to secant 60 degrees. So A plus C is equal to 60. So now we have three equations. Go back to linear equations. We have three equations. A plus B plus C is 90. A minus B is 30. A plus C is 60. So somehow you'll have to find the values of A, B, and C. So what you can do is, what is A plus C? 60, right? If you substitute that here, A plus C is how much? 60. Correct? So you'll get 60 plus B is equal to 90. So B is equal to 90 minus 60, 30. Now you got B is 30. So if you put B here, you will get A. And then, C. Sorry, you'll get A. And if you put A here, you'll get C. Don't understand? I'll repeat. I'll work it. I'm just telling you. Krishmi. What is A plus B plus C? 90. Now, this A plus B plus C is nothing but A plus C plus B, no? Is equal to 90. How much is A plus C? 60. So 60 plus B is equal to 90, right? So how much is B then? 30. Now we got B is 30. We have to find A and C. Now come here. B is 30. Put B 30 here. So how much is A? No. 60. Now we got A 60. Now put A 60 here. How much is C? 0. That's all. Like that, we find the values of A, B, and C. Yeah, right on, children? Sine and the angle, there is no meaning for sine. There's nothing like sine, cos, tan. There's nothing like that. The ratios exist with an angle. So sine theta is one thing. Sine theta is one thing. So sine theta is not the product of sine and theta. Sine theta is not sine into theta. It's not separable. But if I write 2 sine theta, it is 2 into sine theta. But if it is sine 2 theta, 2 theta is the angle. Sine 2 theta meaning sine of the angle 2 theta. You have a question here with respect to this answer? No, your question is with respect to this answer? In general, yeah. No, but you should not cancel. You're comparing both the sides. Because you cannot cancel the sign because it's not independent. Like x into y, xy is x into y. It's not like that here. Sine theta is not sine into theta to cancel sine and sine. It's not free. It doesn't exist freely like that. Sine, cos, tan. They come with an angle. If you want to cancel, you should cancel sine theta with sine theta, but not sine sine. We already know this, right, children? I think you were late for a few sessions, so Raja, you're not aware of it. We already know it. Like, no, you can ask. You can ask if you don't understand. But what I'm trying to say is, we've seen it earlier. Maybe you were late for a few sessions and you missed that those important details. You must request for the recording. I can share the recording with you. You must ask on time. சேர்த்து வச்சுலாம் பார்க்க டைம் இல்ல. இன்னைக்கு மிஸ் பண்ணா இன்னைக்கே பார்த்தாதான். அதுக்கப்புறம் மறந்துடும் நமக்கு. அப்புறம் ஸ்கூல் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் வந்துடும். You don't have time to watch. And this one, children. Finished online, students?
Completed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, you don't write down all the questions. You take the first one and work it out. I'm going to write a set of 8 to 9 questions, very simple ones. Online students, take down the first question and answer it. Then take the second one. Should we go out and check if somebody's waiting? No, no.
X is equals 15 for the first sum, ma'am.
3, yeah?
X is equals 15, ma'am.
Oh, no, actually, I don't have the answers, project. I have to work and check. Anyways, yeah. But you can just check 3x. You said 15, I think, right? Project 15,
Yes,
huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So we can just verify like this. 3 into 15 is 45, right? So tan 45 is how much? 1. So here sine 45 is how much? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So that's 1 by 2. Yeah, correct. Correct. X is 15 for the first one is right.
Yes, ma'am.
You can call and check, no? Yeah.
Ma'am, for the second one, X is 30, ma'am.
30. Okay. 30? Yeah, here also there's one student who's got 30.
I got 30, ma'am.
30, okay.
I too got it, ma'am.
Okay, good. one before, one before. The number of the mean on the purpose of tan the purpose tan creation. But in the purpose tan then only you can compare both the sides. But one number tan you have to replace something. But very important. Very quantified. The 45 degrees is not one. Tan 45 degrees is one. One, so next it comes to tan 3x is equal to tan 45 degrees. Is equal to 1 and you get the word. So 1 the other tan 45 degrees. Tan 45. Before, if you compare this, mind that 3x is equal to 45. Equal 3x of 3x. Equal to 3x. Now it's become anti-balance. One more trigonometry. X is equal to 45 by 3. Tan is very long. That is anti-balance. 3x. Tan of the picture 3x tan. Yeah. What you can do is bring cos x this side. So it becomes sin x by cos x. And then take it to the other side. That becomes 1 by yeah. Tried all the 9 sums, children? Online students?
Doing the last one, ma'am.
Okay.
Last question.
All right, yeah. I'll wait for 5 more minutes. Last one? No, not expected. Maybe decimal. What's the answer? Oh, maybe, yeah. Possible. Decimal varla varakudadunnu. You can get it.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Complete.
Yeah. All right. I'll work from behind. I'm working from the 9th one. I'm writing the value straight away. What is cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees?
Root 3 by 2.
Yeah. Then plus sin 60? Sin 30? So root 3 by 2 tan 2x is equal to root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2 tan 2x is equal to 2 root 3 by 4. Like you take the LCM, no? 4 is LCM. So you'll get root 3 plus root 3. So next step you'll get 2 root 3. Tan 2x is equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Root 3 by 2. Okay, so we have root 3 by 2 tan 2x is equal to root 3 by 2. So this one on the other side, okay, or I can do it in this step itself. Now this one was, I'm happy, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but my son says in the class, if somebody answers, the teacher will say, okay, then all of us understand and they go to the next one. I don't want to do that. Once again. So root 3 by 2 tan 2x. How do we understand this? Root 3 by 2 tan 2x is root 3 by 2 into tan 2x. This is free. This root 3 by 2 is not controlled by this one. This is independent. This is free. This can go to the other side. Root 3 by 2 into tan 2x. This is different. But this tan 2x, you know, tan and 2x. This is one full thing. Here, nobody can go loose like that. Tan 2x is one full thing. Nobody can get separated. This is not tan into 2 into x. Tan 2x, it's one full thing. But this root 3 by 2 can go to the other side. So it will become into 2 by root 3. Raja, yes or no? Yeah, so far understood. Now continue, Raja. What will you do after this? Tan 2x is equal to 1. When is it 1? Book paranga, table paranga. Tan lepa 1 and varum. Tan of which angle is 1? Tan 2x is equal to tan of, no, look, hoga. Table irukka in the book la illaya. Very book la irukku. Tan 45 degrees da 1. 1 க்கு வெறும் 45 degrees போடக்கூடாது. Tan 45 is 1. 1 is not 45 degrees. Tan of 45 degrees, that value is 1. So that 1 should be replaced with tan 45, not 45 degrees. So instead of 1, you must say tan 45. Tan 45 degrees. Now you compare both the sides. In your mind, you cancel tan and tan, but you should not show it here. Now 2x, this angle 2x is equal to 45 degrees. On comparing both the sides, 2x is 45. So x is equal to 45 by 2. X is equal to 22.5. Online students, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yeah. Okay, if you have not got this, or if you have to check, please take a screenshot, or I can wait for a minute. Oh, you have to write? Please complete. Finished? Yeah, please complete, children, if you have not.
Complete.
Yeah. என்ன multiply பண்ணிருக்கியா அதையும்? Has he written root 3 root 2 root 3 by 2 root 3? Meaning, cancel பண்ணிடு அப்படியே. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Oh, you're right on. Okay, next one. Root 3 sin x is equal to cos x. So you can do it in different ways. See, either different ways meaning one way only, but present it differently. Like you can divide both the sides by cos. You can divide both the sides by cos, or okay, so if you divide both the sides by cos x, if you divide both the sides by cos x, what will you get? Root 3 tan x is equal to 1. Or why do all that? This cos x only you can bring for division. This cos x itself you can bring for division here. And this root 3 will come here as what? 1 by root 3. Correct? Because it's root 3 by 1 here. So it will become 1 by root 3 on the other side. Children, you can divide both the sides by cos x. So you will get root 3 tan x is equal to 1. So tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan x is equal to tan 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. 1 by root 3 is tan 30. Or you can just bring this cos for division, and root 3 by 1 will become 1 by root 3 on the other side. So tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. tan x is equal to tan 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees.
Ma'am, I got sine to the other side and I got cot x, ma'am, and then I got the same one.
Very good. Yeah, that's also fine. So, or root 3 sine x is equal to cos x. So root 3 is equal to cos x by sine x. So root 3 is equal to cot x. So when is it root 3? Cot 30 degrees is equal to cot x. X is equal to 30 degrees. Yeah, you're right, Madhumita. Next. 2 sine x by 2 is equal to 1. So the sine x by 2 is one thing. Sine of this angle. Sine x by 2 is one thing. This x by 2 will not go to the other side as 2 by x. Sine x by 2 is one thing. Sine x by 2. As long as x by 2 is with sine, it is one thing. One sine and sine on either sides. When you compare, they go away. Then x by 2 becomes algebra. Now it's trigonometry. Now this is 2 into sine x by 2. This is one thing. This one you can separate. So sine x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Don't cancel the 2 and 2 here like this. You cannot cancel the 2 here and here like this. So sine x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine x by 2 is equal to, when is it 1 by 2? Sine 30 degrees. So on comparing both the sides, x by 2 is equal to 30, x is equal to 60 degrees. Is this right? So sine 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 2 theta is equal to right? Yeah, Krishmi, read the next one. The fifth one. 1 minute, let me wait. If you have to write down the answer. Done all this? All right. Krishmi, fifth one. Louder, Krishmi. Tan phi theta is equal to?
Tan 45 degrees, ma'am.
Krishmi, what have you written in your book? Tan phi theta is equal to tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. Okay, proceed now, Krishmi. Continue. Phi theta is equal to 45 degrees. So theta is equal to, which is 9. Correct. Very good. 3 tan squared theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah, Krishmi. I'll tell you the value. Just tell me how to work this. Fast. 3 tan squared theta Okay, take it to the other side, is equal to 1. Then is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, then if a square is 1 by 3, what is a? A square is 1 by 3. Then what is a? Okay, if a square is 9, what is a? Square root of 9, right? So if tan square theta is 1 by 3, what is tan theta? Root of 1 by 3, square root of 1 by 3. So tan theta is equal to, what is root of 1? 1. And what is root 3? What is the square root of the numerator? 1. Square root of the denominator is the same thing. Now in the tan table, tan theta is equal to, it's 1 by 3 when it is tan 30 degrees. So now next step, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Very good. So cos square theta is equal to, you went wrong here. So cos square theta is what? 2 is what actually? What is 2? 2 is 2 by 1, right? 2 is 2 by 1. So on the other side, it will become 1 by 2. Okay. 2 is 2 by 1. So it will become 1 by 2 on the other side. So this 2 will become 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. So cos theta, or you don't even have to multiply. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to cos 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Correct? So in the second one, what did you get? Cos x is equal to what you got? Second one, cos x is equal to cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. I'm not working that. Cos x is equal to cos 30 degrees. So x is equal to 30 degrees for the second one. And for the first one, tan 3x is equal to how much you got? So you got tan 3x is equal to 1. Correct? You got tan 3x is equal to 1. Yes. I think I worked the first one, right? Yes. Okay, so for the first one, tan 3x is equal to 1 you get. So tan 3x is equal to tan 45 degrees. On comparing both the sides, 3x is equal to 45, x is equal to 45 by 3, x is equal to 15. All right. So this understood, right, children? All right. So now let's, online students, have you written the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Now, these terms, you know, this is a cubed. This is 3a square b. This is 3ab square. And this is b cubed. This is a cubed. This is 3a square b. This is 3ab square. And this is b cubed. And here you have to take out 2 common. In all this, you have to take up 2 common. So this entire expression, which has 7 terms, is grouped as 4 plus 3 terms. The first 4 terms will go with the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The last 3 terms we have to take out 2 common. Okay, for now we'll just understand that. Okay, so we'll work on the first 4 terms. We'll show that it's of the form a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so for that, see here, we'll just take up the LHS. The LHS is equal to sine theta to the power 12 plus 3 sine theta to the power 10 plus 3 sine theta to the power 8 plus sine theta to the power 6 plus 2 sine theta to the power 4 plus 2 sine square theta minus 2. Now this is a cubed, okay? This is a cubed. So immediately we want b cubed. Only then we can fill the others. Okay, a cube, then we want b cube. So 3 into what is 12? 3 into 4 is 12. So this one is sine theta to the power 4. Because 4 3s are is 12. And here 3 into 2 is 6, right? So it will be sine square theta in the bracket here. Is this correct? Online students? Plus, we have to take a cube outside. So inside it will be sine square theta. This is correct. So now plus 3 into a square b. 3 into what is a square? Sine theta to the power 4. A square into b. Into b is sine square theta. Correct? What is a cubed? See, this is a, this is cubed. This is b, this is cubed. So a sine theta to the power 4, b sine square theta. No? No, I'll explain again. I'm not clear? Okay, no. See, 1 second. If I have this one is x cubed. So what is x? 8 to the power 6. Supposing I have y to the power 7, the whole power 3. Now, if I'm calling this b cubed, then what is b? If you take out the cubed, the remaining thing is b, right? Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. That's what I'm doing here. If you take away the 3, this is only a, right? This is a cubed. This is b and this is cubed. So this is only b, right? So 3a squared. This is a squared. Why are we putting a square? Is because it's the identity. 3a squared into b. B is this one, sine square theta. No, I'll do it into 2 parts, children. Are we following or no? Am I clear now? Sort of, no? Okay, let me write the identity then first. Okay, the identity is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed is equal to, can be written as, if you find these 4 terms, you can write it as a plus b the whole cube. If you find these 4 terms, you can write it simpler as a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so we're trying to do that. So that's equal to, this first term is a cubed. So it will be sine theta to the power 4 because 4 3s are 12 plus this one is b cubed. So cubed, put the 3 outside. Sine square theta. Is that understood? Now this is your a. Sine theta to the power 4 is a. Sine square theta is b. Now plus 3a square b, 3 into a square, right? A. This is a square. B is sine square theta. Plus 3 into, tell me what is ab square? 3 into sine to the power? Sine theta to the power 4. 3a b square. This is b and this is square. And that was already there. I removed it. Plus, now take out 2 common in the next one. 2 common in the next one. 2 into sine theta to the power 4 plus sine square theta minus 1. Close the bracket. Now, if cos theta is sine square theta, square this on both the sides, what will you get? Because wherever needed, we can use that. When you square this on both the sides, what's the new result you'll have? This implies cos square theta is equal to sine theta to the power 4, correct? When you square that on both the sides, cos square theta will be equal to sine theta to the power 4. We'll use, see, if we want, we'll use this result. Otherwise, wherever needed. Now, sine theta to the power 4. What is sine theta to the power 4? No, 1 minute. You have not still understood, right? Some doubt you have. No, 1 minute. Read those terms. Sine theta to the power 12 plus. Okay. Okay. That's other. No, see here. This is only a cube. This is b cube. Okay. If No. Here, this is a cube. So what is a then? 4. See, this is only a. This is a. Now b. Fill b. Sine square theta. See, this is b cubed. This is only b. Now plus 3. The identity is 3a square b. That's what we are writing. The identity, we have this term 3a square b. So 3 into a square. This is a, correct? This is only a square. And b. B is then the next term in the identity is plus 3a. A means you must just write this into b square. So write the b term and square it plus b cube. Now verify if it's correct. What is this? 4 2s are 8, right? 4 2s are 8. So it will be, you don't have to work all this, but you should just do it in your mind. Sine to the power 8 theta and sine square theta, correct? Now when base are same and its multiplication, we add the powers. So this is nothing but 3 sine theta to the power 10. Because when you have a to the power 8 into a square, how do you simplify? When base are same and its multiplication, we add the powers. So it is 3 sine theta to the power 10, and that's what is this term. This one, try to simplify and check. So this is 3 2 to the 4. Now base are same and its multiplication, add the power. So it will be 3 sine theta to the power 8. See here. So these 4 terms are exactly in the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this can be written as a plus b the whole cube. This can be written as a plus b the whole cube. So that's what I'm writing now. A. What is a? This is a plus b the whole cube. Okay. Now I'm just going to write all this as it is. Now substitute. See, if you're comfortable with somebody, retain it. You're not comfortable with somebody, right? That one should be replaced. Now, when it is sine square theta, it's okay. Sine square theta is fine because sine square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. Sine square theta, you're comfortable. This sine to the power 4 theta, sine theta to the power 4, you're not comfortable. So replace that with cos square theta. Don't replace everything. Whichever is not comfortable for you or whichever is not going to help you in terms of using the identity. Adu mattum na replace pannu. If what is the sine theta to the power 4? It's cos square theta. Replace only that. So this the sine theta to the power 4 can be replaced with cos square theta, correct? Cos square theta. And after that, what do you have? Sine square theta. Don't disturb that. Let that be there. Sine square theta. Then what do you have? Whole cubed. Whole cubed. Minus 2 into should be replaced with cos square theta. Should be replaced with cos square theta. Let that be there. Don't write sine square theta as cos theta. Don't replace. Whatever you are not comfortable, replace that. Let that plus sine square theta be there. Because we know cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1.
Ma'am, shouldn't it be +2 there?
Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, thank you, Rakshita. Yeah. See, so thanks, Rakshita. So wherever simply don't change everything. You understand what I said? Now, cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 cubed, plus 2 into cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 minus 1. So 1 cubed is 1 plus 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 plus 0, which is 1, which is the RHS. All right? Yeah, write down, children, carefully. Done writing this one? You want the earlier slide? Finish writing? Anyone wants the earlier slide, Raja? Yeah. Finished on Dilepan? Completed? Yeah. Finish writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, okay. Understood? I can see Raja. Please. Yeah, that's why. How? Okay. Rakshita, Madhumita, and Danya, finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any questions, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubt.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
All right, children. All right, that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call. Good night. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Finish writing? Yeah, I'll show you.